If you are like me who enjoys granola, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make simple, cheap and healthy granola at home using whole ingredients without any kinds of oil, butter or unhealthy fats. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know a lot of us working from home would want to have something quick and healthy for breakfast or even something to snack on. And while you can go out to the store and buy granola, most of the ones you do get are usually packed with a lot of sugar, and even the ones that are quite clean are pretty expensive. So why not make your own at home that is healthy, nutritious and inexpensive? So if you are ready to get this video underway, as always, go ahead, like the video. If you are excited about the recipe, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into my kitchen. Well, currently friend's house, so friend's kitchen, but yeah. Start off by dry roasting the following ingredients: 160 grams or 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. Now, oats are packed with fiber and complex carbs, which are key to keeping you full and satiated. Along with 30 grams each of crushed peanuts, walnuts, and almonds. All three are packed with nutrients. They are a great source of omega-3s, healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You want to keep roasting until the oats lose that raw flavor. And once done, transfer it into a bowl and let it cool for a bit. Then let's add 25 grams of flax seeds and 25 grams of chia seeds. Now, both these seeds are full of nutrients and are exceptionally high in fiber, omega-3s, proteins, and fat. They also have a ton of health benefits, including better blood sugar levels, better digestion, healthier heart, and protection against certain types of cancer. Along with that, let's add 1 scoop of whey protein. I went with vanilla, 30 grams of raisins, and finally half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of cinnamon. Now, to bind all of this up, to a bowl, add 70 grams of maple syrup or honey. If you live in the States, you can go with this low-calorie maple syrup. Now, if you find this hard to find, you can go with 70 grams of honey. Irrespective of what you choose, I will give you the macros for both. So I went with the low-calorie maple syrup along with 32 grams of natural peanut butter. Give that a good mix, guys, until you bring it to a consistency as such. Time to add that into the bowl of the dry ingredients. Now, this will take some time, so be patient with it and mix well. You might be tempted to add a bit of water here, but trust me, you don't need it. This is the perfect amount to make it crispy, so just keep going until it's all mixed well. And once that's done, transfer it into a baking tray and go ahead and spread it out just like this. Now, bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes or until the oats start to turn slightly golden brown, and just hear the sound of that. Finally, top it off with 30 grams of semi-sweetened chocolate chips, and there you have it. Your delicious, healthy granola is all set. Feel free to store it and have it first thing in the morning for breakfast or as a snack with some Greek yogurt. A perfect recipe for you and your family to enjoy whenever you'd like. Moving on to the macros, this recipe is to be divided into 10 servings, and each serving, if you use the low-calorie maple syrup, is about 200 calories, of which 20 grams are carbs, 10 grams are fat, and 8 grams are protein. And if you use normal honey, then each serving is about 215 calories, of which 25 grams are carbs, 10 grams are fat, and 8 grams are protein. And there you have it, guys. Do try it out. It's simple, it's easy, and it's packed with a lot of good ingredients. I am sure you will love it. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.